Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rio from Rio Academy. So yesterday we saw about the basics of supply and demand. So we saw there are four types of supply and demand. Okay. Okay, which is rally based rally, drop based drop, drop based rally, and rally based drop. Right. And after that I did show you a few examples of how market works. And then we looked for in the beginning I also showed you how to mark 50%. In case if you don't know how to mark 50%, there is an indicator called 50% body candle. I also mentioned about the 50% body candle. Okay, so I also showed you how to calculate the 50% body candle. What's happening? Let me change into something brighter. Okay, we'll do black. Okay, so I showed you how to do it and it actually worked. Okay, so it actually worked. mm, the next thing is, okay, so it was the four types of supply and demand, and we also look for certain other things like how market can reverse, from which point market can reverse. So when we take a certain example like rally based rally, rally based drop. Okay, I'll show you a few more examples. Okay, like let me search for it. Okay. Okay, so here you can clearly see, so there is a possibility where it is. Okay, like I'll mention from here. Okay, this is drop. Okay, this full entire zone over here, these three candles which is present over here, is called base, and the last thing which is here, it's called rally, right? So we have another example of drop base rally. As I already told you in the first class, so no matter how many bases are there, we can still use any one of them. I mean, not any one of them, the last one of the base. So when I count, there are four bases over here, so which concludes this over here as the base. The last candle is called the base, and I am marking the base over here, and market lifted, market went up. Okay, so these are the situations you have to look for, and I also told you to look for this kind of things where we have a gap over here. Okay, it's called imbalance or fair value gap, so you can also look for it. And we can also see over here, it's called this candle is drop. Okay, and we have like 1 2 3 4 5 bases over here. Okay, so because we are only considering the last candle, it's called, this is going to be called base. Okay, and this is again a drop. Okay, this is again a drop. Okay, you can clearly see we have to mark the candle like this, and you can clearly see we had a drop also. Okay, from that part we really had a good drop. Okay, so this is what we learned about in yesterday's class. Okay, now we have three topics to cover for today. It might, this class or session might extend for almost like 20 to 30 minutes extra. Yesterday's class was like 42 minutes. Today's class, I think it's going to be a little more extra of like 1.5 hour or 2 hours, max 2 hours. So please bear and please try to understand each concept. Okay, see, let me say this topic is very important. I said first topic is basics are very important for us to know where the market is, right? But to know the exact momentum of the market, we have to know the structure of the market, right? So how do we find the structure of the market? How do we find structure of the market? Okay, it's very simple, guys. It's very simple. It's like we don't have to rub our head around this. It's very simple. Okay, the first thing we're going to look for is break of structure. Okay, this is the first thing we're going to look for. Okay, is only the break of structure? No, there is another thing called change of character. Another thing called change of character. So what is break of structure and what is change of character? Okay, do you think this is very important in the market? Yes, it is the core object of the market. The all the 8 topics which I'm going to teach you one by one in this upcoming sessions in this session is very important. It's very core topic of the smart money concept. We are in smart money concept. I'm sorry I didn't mention it in this video. We are in smart money concept. You have to know that we only deal with smart money concept, and by the end of this sessions I'm going to teach you ICT2, a few examples of ICT. I'm not going to go depth in it because I think there is going to be copyrights on my video, so I'm going to not go into depth, but a little bit of my own understanding of how I see ICT and how I take ICT and how it decides me to give the opportunity in the market to take trades. Okay, before that, let me tell how break of structure and change of character occurs. Okay, we'll move this over here. We'll move this over here. Okay, we draw the line. Okay, now it's two partitions, right? Say for example, market is going up, right? Market is going up. Can you see a high over here? Okay, you can see a high, you can see a low, right? You can see a high and you can see a low. 1 minute. Okay, you can see a high and you can see a low over here. Okay, please understand this. Whenever, okay, let's say we are like this. Let me erase it. Okay, let me erase it and let me draw it again. Okay, market is over here. Okay, you see there is a high which is created over here, right? Okay, high which is created over here. Whenever market is reversing from here, we have to look for something. Okay, we have to look for something, which that something is a body close. A body close like this. Okay, a body close which is exactly near the high of the market, the previous high of the market. When again it's going up, we need a body close. When it retraced and it moves back to the same direction which market is going, so this is uptrend. Okay, we have to look for body close. Okay, so we know to confirm the break of structure. Okay, to confirm the break of structure, there are two things we have to look for. Okay, to confirm the break of structure, there are two things we have to confirm. Okay, the first thing is called three candle pattern. Okay, three candle pattern. Okay, it's very simple guys, nothing to worry about. I'll also show you an indicator that how we can find three candle pattern. Okay, so this is going to be green. Okay, how do we say it is a three candle pattern? Okay, let's say this is the first candle, this is the second candle, this is the third candle. Okay, first, second and third candle. See, the first candle which is over here, the high was broken and the low was broken. Okay, for the second candle, only the high is breaking. Only the high was broken. So now we can consider this as head left and right. Okay, which when we find a new high, market while retracing is nothing but a pullback. See, market can't go only up, it has to come down and then have to push back into the actual form. Okay, while market coming back to give a low, we have a pattern over here which is like this. Okay, once market has swept this low, we can consider the high as confirmed, and market is going to go up and giving a body close, then it is called a complete break of structure. Okay, so there are two things we have to look for break of structure, that is the three candle pattern which is on the left side of the market while market is reversing or retracing, not reversing, sorry, while market is retracing, it has to sweep or collect the three candle pattern and go down, in which we can get the high of the market as confirmed. And after reversing to the same momentum of the market, we need a body close exactly to the high. Okay, body close exactly to the high for us to confirm the break of structure. Say for example, this is a situations where which might occur in the market. Okay, we have a candle over here. Okay, okay, we have a candle over here. Okay, you can clearly see this is the break of structure point. Okay, this is the break of structure point. Let me erase each and everything. Okay, so you can clearly see exactly to this point we don't have body close, we have a wick over here, right? What should happen is the next candle which is forming must go above this wick to confirm the break of structure, must close around this wick to confirm the break of structure. Okay, only the body, not the wick. Wick will never be considered as break of structure concept. Okay, the body close of the candle is only considered in the break of structure concept. Okay, the same thing happens in the area of bearish momentum. Okay, the same thing happens in the bearish momentum. See, market is going down. Okay, it went down. We can see a three candle pattern. So first thing which we saw was like this, right? First thing which we saw was like this. It is for bullish momentum where market is going uptrend. Okay, next we have to see a A. First we saw a V, next we are seeing a A for downtrend. This is the three candle pattern, but the body close for the market is going to be the same. Okay, the body close for the market is going to be same. Okay, I hope you understood the break of structure concept. Now I'm going to teach you about change of character. Okay, it's very simple guys, don't break your head. I'm going to show you the examples in the market which is going to be very easy. I'm going to replay each chart and each bar for you guys. Okay, please don't worry. Okay, now we can see the change of character concept. You know, see, we have a momentum over here, okay, which is break of structure. Market is going upward. Okay, we got break of structures. Okay, break of structure, break of structure. Okay, and suddenly market shifts its momentum. Okay, from going to the top, market is coming down. Okay, market is coming down. While market coming down, you can see the lows which is created here. Okay, you can see the lows which are created here, over here too. Okay, so when we look for bearish momentum, the highs are created. When we look for bearish momentum, lows are created. Sorry, when we look for bullish momentum, lows are created. When we're looking for bearish momentum, highs are created. You know, I will tell you this. The highs are called the highs in the bearish momentum is called strong highs. Not ice, high, H-I-G-H. Strong highs. Okay, these are called strong highs. Okay, whichever here is called weak low. Weak low. Why this is called strong highs and weak low? Okay, because you see the lows are continuously breaking over here. Okay, you can see the lows are continuously breaking, but when you look for highs, there is no momentum in the market where market is breaking the highs, right? So again we are in the topic of change of character. Okay, you see weak, so this is weak high, sorry. We are traders, we are looking for only weak low and weak high. Spelling was wrong. Weak high. Okay, then strong lows. Okay, strong lows. You know why this is strong lows? Because market is not breaking the lows, only breaking the highs. Okay, so again into the change of character topic. See, market is moving upside, right? It's very good. Market is moving upside, but market sometimes tends to reverse, right? It's not always bullish momentum or it's not always bearish momentum. Sometimes market must go from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. In this momentum, that is when change of character occurs. Can you see the lows, the strong lows which is created over here? Okay, one of the strong lows has been swept over here, so which takes this to change of character. Okay, it's called change of character. Okay, why is this called change of character? Market which was bullish until now suddenly has become bearish. There is a reason why market has become from bullish to bearish. Okay, we'll look into it in the upcoming classes, but you guys have to understand weak high and strong lows. Okay, when it comes to the bearish momentum, it is also called change of character, but in place of weak high, it is going to be weak low and strong high. Okay, nothing more than that. Okay, see, for instance, I told you over here. Okay, see, for breakout structure, body close is very important and we have to look for 3 candle pattern over here, right? But for change of character, that is not required. Okay, body close is required for a confirmation, that's it. For a strong confirmation, body close is considered, but for change of character, wick is more than enough for us to know that market is reversing. Okay, market is reversing. This concept is everywhere. Okay, it can be included in every market, but you have to know how to do it. That's it. So you guys got the change of character concept. Market was going up and suddenly market changed its momentum towards the downside. Okay, I'll show you I'll show you the example in the market. Like I'll go to the day. Go to the day. Okay, let me say I'll start from here. Okay, let me say I'll start from here. See, first thing, when we see a high, right? First thing, when we see a high, we have to mark it. And the next thing, once a high is done, we have to look for the 3 candle pattern. If you look from the high towards this side, you can see there is a 3 candle pattern over here, which is head, left and right. right? Market has swept it, okay, giving it a minor choke. Okay, minor choke is nothing but minor change of character. Okay, minor choke is nothing but minor change of character. Okay, so once we have considered minor chokes, next thing we have to look for is the break of structure, right? The bullish break of structure. Okay, so you can see we got a body close right away, okay, which giving us the opportunity as this as low, right? This area is low. In case market comes to this area, okay, even wick is enough, this is going to be change of character. CHOCH is nothing but change of character, but we have to look for minor chokes, that is 3 candle pattern over here. Okay, okay, so if you look over here, this was the first high, right? For this high, the minor chokes which will be considered as X over here. Okay, minor chokes is nothing but X. Okay, it's the same words, it's the same topic, but only the change in alphabets. Okay, the X over here. Okay, but market didn't collect it, didn't sweep it like it did over here. Okay, so it was still here, and then once the high was collected, the high went over here and the X was here. Okay, the X was here. Now market has to sweep it, okay, and market has to reverse. Okay, you can clearly see the high again shifted over here, but this time the X was also shifted to here. Okay, the X, the minor choke of the market might shift from anywhere to here, anywhere to there. Equal should not happen, sweep must compulsorily happen. Okay, okay, so you can clearly see this was the high. Okay, but we have to look for whether there was a body close. Yes, there was a body close. Okay, there was a body close where we are going to consider this as bullish BOS. Bullish BOS is nothing but bullish break of structure. Okay, now market, if this is shifted, okay, we can call it as break of structure. Okay, can you see we got a change of character? Okay, now we have a momentum in the market saying if it goes down, okay, now choke happened, we are good, but now we have to look for C bearish break of structure. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is mark X. X is over here. X is over here, where this is going to be the change of character of the market. Okay, okay, now you can see this was the first high. Okay, and then market gave this as high, sorry, low, gave this as low, and then we can mark this as X because this has the 3 candle pattern over here. I'm sorry, this one. Okay, again market gave another low. Okay, now this time X is going to be here because you can clearly see there is a 3 candle pattern over here, head, left, right. Okay, I'm just waiting for the market to sweep it. It swept. Okay, now we are going to look for bearish break of structure. We were bullish, okay, and we had a change of character in the market. Okay, we had a change of character in the market at this place. Okay, what happened to my keyboard? Okay, there was a change of character in the market, and again we found a X, and again there was a bearish break of structure. Okay, body close over here is going to give us the confirmation of bearish structure. Okay, you can see there was a body close, and this has become the high, strong high. Okay, where market if ever goes back to this place, it's going to be change of character, and this is considered as break of structure, bearish break of structure. The next thing we have to look for is X. X for this low, is going to be here. Okay, X is nothing but minor change of character. Okay, you see the X was swept. Okay, in case market if it comes below this, we are going to consider this as bearish break of structure. Okay, you can see we had a bearish break of structure. The next thing we have to consider, we have to look for is an X. You can see there is a X over here. See, there is not a huge thing over here, but when you look properly, head is there, left is there, and other candle over here. You can see a 3 candle pattern over here. This is X. Okay, in case if market goes above this, okay, we can consider this as change of character. Okay, okay, you can see it has given X, and also market didn't go down as per the bullish momentum, it went up. Okay, it went up, which gave us a bullish momentum again. Okay, so first thing, once it is a bullish momentum, we are going to look for X, right? We're going to look for X. So this is the high, the present high, and this is the X we are looking for. Okay, X. Okay, we are going to wait for the X to be swept. Okay, the X is swept in the market. Okay, okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the bullish BOS. Okay, so if there is a body close, bullish BOS is confirmed. Okay, so this is how the structure of the market works. Okay, so you see, now we can see the market is bullish. Once there is a change of character, we can say market went down and gave a bearish momentum. Right, we saw 2 bearish momentum and few bullish momentum. See, I have an indicator too. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. So this is the place where we marked. I have an indicator too. Okay, it's called Smart SMC Order Block Truth Indy. Okay, it will give you the market structure. Okay, it will give you the market structure. Okay, because we did it in the mid of we had did it in the middle, we got the internal structure of the market. Nothing to worry about because everything is fine over here too. But when we look for a long hold, we have structures from here too. Okay, we have structures from here too. Okay, but if you clearly see, okay, if you clearly see, after this we had X over here itself. Okay, X over here, I think you can clearly see it, top bottom. Okay, X over here, and this is going to be a break of structure. Okay, and if it has breaking this low, we can consider this as change of character. But market didn't break this low, but went up to be in a bullish BOS. Right, again market went up, market is somewhere around here. Okay, market is somewhere around there. Okay, I hope you guys understood how breakout structure works. Okay, so uh, again at this place. Okay, didn't go. No, no. I think this was the last breakup structure of the market. Okay, yeah, this is the last breakup structure of the market, as I already told. Hmm. I think you guys understood how the momentum in the market works, right? I still remember this part over here because me and my friend were trading at this place. Okay, so we had a huge momentum over here. Every day was a push towards the top side. So that is the first topic of today. Okay,